Uganda is taking its investment promotion campaign to France, with the Finance Permanent Secretary Ramathan Ggoobi leading the charge to position the Pearl of Africa as a prime destination for foreign investors. At a high-profile summit attended by Ugandans in the diaspora and French entrepreneurs, Ggoobi unveiled a bucket list of incentives designed to attract businesses to Uganda.
So you set up in Uganda, you will be able to sell your products all over the world, duty-free, tariff-free, in so many destinations. That's why I'm here for those three things: the investment, markets, and tourists. We have just been talking about the tourists, but I don't know whether I'll get opportunity. That's why I smuggled in everything else in there. We invite you to Uganda, and we take advantage of this beautiful ambition, the future that we have in the next decade or so, of growing the economy much faster, creating wealth for all of us, but also in a more sustainable way.
The Uganda Revenue Authority also pledged its support to enterprises interested in tapping into Uganda's fresh produce sector, promising a streamlined and business-friendly tax environment.
The ones involved in the supply chain of the oil and gas equipment, in transport, in warehousing, you need to go and see what is happening. So as long as you are affiliated, as per the contract, with CNOOC and TotalEnergies, and you have an agreement with them, and TotalEnergies and the CNOOC informs us this is the third party we are dealing with, you get all the benefits. That's the fairness we are talking about in taxation in the oil and gas sector.
We came with my colleagues here to invite you to Uganda to invest in the area of minerals, but also in the area of enablers. Electricity, for example. Uganda has huge resources for renewable energy development. We are capable of producing about 50,000 megawatts of renewable power.
The Uganda Investment Authority highlighted these areas as ripe for development and partnership.
When you hear about the non-tax incentives that we have in our country, in our industrial parks, for example, we can give you free land for that. For a domestic investor, your threshold to qualify for an investment license is just $50,000 US, less than 200 million Uganda shillings. For an international investor, it's 250,000 US, that's close to $1 billion. So to benefit from those incentives that we keep hearing about, it's not a lot of money for you to do that. But what do you get? You get the free land in our industrial park. You get the tax incentives.
Currently, Uganda's trade relationship with France is marked by a trade deficit, with Uganda exporting significantly less than it imports. The summit aims to rebalance this relationship by boosting exports to France, which currently lags behind destinations like Italy, Germany, the Netherlands, Spain, and Belgium.
We've told the French, the Spanish, and the Portuguese about the opportunities of investing in Uganda, the free incentives, the tax holidays, all the provisions that Uganda has, which creates a favorable environment for any individual or company to invest in Uganda.
It is hoped that the deals and deliberations from this conference will strengthen Uganda's trade ties with France, opening new avenues for economic growth and diversification. Malcolm Sime, NTV Tonight Business.